Well, hi there, everybody. Welcome back to Maths. Another day. Right, great work yesterday. I really enjoyed seeing all those pictures of your part whole models. Remember, we were looking for 10. We were trying to find pairs of numbers that equal 10. And you did really well. We're going to carry on with that a little bit today. And that takes me to our first puzzle. So in order to play, you're going to need, as you saw on the previous bit, tens frame, counting objects, and your part whole model. Okay, so if you've not got those already, hit the pause button and go grab. And remember, part whole, you just draw with 3 circles on a piece of paper. Okay, super easy. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, well done. Right, let's get started. So, this is going to sound a little bit weird, but I've written some words there on this little box. It says, how many are missing? Now, on your tens frame, with your counting objects, what I'd like you to do is to make the missing bit. So my tens frame has got some red counters on it. What I want you to do is I want you to make the missing bit, what's not there. Okay? Are you ready? So get your tens frame ready, get your counting objects ready, and here we go. So make what's missing. 3, 2, 1, go. Great work, everyone. So here's my tens frame. You can see that I've got the whole top row with red counters on and 3 counters on the bottom. Now I know 5 and 3 more is 8. But what I wanted you to do is I wanted you to make what was missing. And how many are missing? That's right, 2. So your tens frame should be showing me 2. Great job. We'll try another one. Okay, so same thing. How many are missing? Reset your tens frame. Swipe off those counters for now. I'm going to show you a new tens frame just here, and I want you to make what's missing. Ready, steady, go. Do you know, that's great. I could hear somebody there in the background say, well, there's 5 at the top, so there must be 5 at the bottom. Great work. Show me those tens frames. Yep, that's it. So it looks like you've all made the same thing as me. But you haven't really, have you? Because you have been making this bit at the bottom. The spaces that are missing. And if we have 5 at the top, we're going to have 5 at the bottom. Now I wonder, boys and girls, just one last quick job. Could you write that? My tens frame and your tens frame with some numerals and some symbols. Have a go. Well done. Now if I'm going to write that, here is my 5 and your 5, which is represented by these spaces here. So 5 and your 5 together, we would have, how many would we have altogether? A full tens frame. We'd have 10. Well done. Okay, let's crack on. Another one. So here we go. Same thing. I want you to make what is missing. Ready, steady, go. Whoa, you all did that one quickly. Wow, show me, show me. Fantastic. Your tens frames are showing me just one. My tens frame is showing me 9. One less than 10. So if I have my 9 and your 1, I would have 10 altogether. Now, if I was to write that as a number sentence with some numerals and symbols, it would look like this. My 9 and your 1 equals 10. Interesting, 9 and 1 go together to equal 10. Should we try a new one? Right, everybody. Last one for now. Are you ready? I want you to make what is missing. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1. Show me, show me. Brilliant, great work everyone, that's fantastic. It looks like you have all counted these missing spaces. Well, now some of you, maybe all of you, could spot that there were 4 missing spaces there. Maybe some of you just knew that. Maybe some of you had to touch each of those spaces to count. Well done. 4 missing. So how many counters do I have? I've got 5 up here and another 1 down here. 6, that's right. So if I have my 6 counters and your 4 counters, that would fill my tens frame and that would give me 10. I know. And that would look, if I wrote that down, that would, no. Can you write that down? My 6 and your 4 as a number sentence with numerals and symbols. Have a go. Brilliant work, great job. So did you write it like this? I started with the 6 up here and add more your 4, 6 and 4 more is equal to 10. Well done, everyone. Pairs of numbers that equal 10. And our part-whole models are brilliant for this. And our tens frames are brilliant for this as well. Okay, let's explore this a little bit more. Right then, boys and girls. So, here's what you're going to need. I have got my counting objects here. I have got 10. And I have drawn myself a part-whole model. These are the parts. And here is the whole. Now, I've already written the numeral 10 here because that's what we're going to be working with. Okay? Now, yesterday, you were splitting 10 into 2 parts for me. We're going to do very much the same today, but I've got a really cool, groovy game for you to play a little bit later. Now, on my screen, I am going to write a numeral, and I would like you to put that many things into one of our parts. Okay? So here it comes. I have written the numeral 7. Can you take 7 of your 10 and pop them in one of those parts? Okay, well done. So now 10 was our whole. 10 was the number of counting objects we started with. And we've partitioned, so we've split our 10, and we've put 7 of them over here. How many counting objects do you have left? 3, that's right. So we've got 3. So I'm going to put these 3 into my other part. There we go. So now I've got 2 parts. I've got 7 is a part and 3 is a part. Now I want you to say after me, boys and girls. Are you ready? 7 is a part of 10. Good job, well done. And 3 is a part of 10. Good job, well done. 7 and 3 equals 10. Fantastic work. 7 and 3 is equal to 10. Good job, everybody. Right, I'd like to try just one more of those before you go away and play. All right, everybody, I'm set up and ready to go again. So here are my 10 counting objects. I've just put them in 2 rows of 5 like our tens frame. It helps me to count them and know how many I've got. And here is my new part whole. So 10 is the whole, and here are our 2 parts. So you're going to be splitting our 10 into 2 parts. The posh word for that is partition. We're going to partition 10 into 2 parts. All right, so here we go. I'm going to write you a numeral, and I'd like you to make that in one of your 2 parts. Ready? Go. Okay, excellent work. So now we have taken our 10 objects and we've started to partition. So I asked you to put 4 of them as a part. So here is my 4. 4 is a part of 10. And now, what have we got left? If we've got 4 over here, and we've got these ones left, how many? Could you find out? I suppose you could count them all, couldn't you? We could count them one at a time. That's something that we could do. Now, remember, I said I'd left mine in a tens frame, so I know that the bottom here is 5, and I've got 1 more, so I've got 5 and 1 more. Yeah, that's right, that's 6. So I've got 6 over here. So 6 must be another part of 10. So let me pop these in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent work. Right. Say after me. 4 is a part of 10. And 6 is a part of 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. And if I were to write that as a number sentence with some numerals, this is what it would look like. 4 represents this part. 6 represents this part. 10 represents the whole. 10 represents how many we have all together. Right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I think you are ready for a new challenge. Right then, so here is the game. It's called Friends of 10, and I've sent this to your grown-ups for you to have a go at. Now, there's 2 things that you need. You need the game board. You need, this is the game board here, and you need your counting objects. Now, it's Friends of 10, so I've got 10 counting objects here, and you need a spinner. Okay, and the spinner is real simple. It's a circle with the numbers 1 to 10 written on it, and you just poke a pencil in it, and then you can spin it to play the game. Okay, and here's what you need to do. You spin the spinner, and you build it on your tens frame. So I spun my spinner, and I span the number 6. So onto my tens frame, I'm going to stick 6 of my counting objects. Now I know that 6 is 5 along the top and 1 more down here. Now, once you've built it, what you have to do is work out what 6's friend to equal 10 is. And it's hidden right here in the missing spaces. So to equal 10, we need 6 and 4. And here's what you have to do. Colour in the 4. The aim of the game is to fill all of these up as you play. Okay? But here's the rub. You've got to play it with somebody else. Maybe you're grown up, maybe mummy, maybe daddy, maybe grandma, maybe granddad. Okay? And at the end of the game, see who wins, see who collects the most numerals at the top. Okay, everybody? Have a good go at that game, and I'll see you at the end. Right then, everybody, how did you do? Did you enjoy that game? Good. I like that one. I play that game at home with my little girl, and we like that one a lot. It's good fun. And I really like that it's got that tens frame at the bottom there to help us find those friends of 10, those pairs of 10, those 2 parts of 10. Well done, everybody. Great work today again. Fantastic job. Okay, so that's it for maths today. There'll be one more lesson coming for you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.